Now our final contender today is actually bringing people together to create meaningful experiences and performance. Work being something that a team does and people can learn from each other. I really like the pitch actually. And please join me to welcome Tina Ruseva, founder and CEO of Mentessa.
Hello. I have always been amazed by the power that organizations bring. The power not to perform a process, not to get a checklist done, but to actually come together as an organization, learn from each other and land on the moon. Fight polio, fight the corona pandemic. And I would like us to work again like this. But unfortunately, work has changed and our tools for organizing people are stuck in the past. We still think in processes and checklists, but what if the future of work is not about keeping the machine running, but it's about figuring it out? What about if it is not about keeping people in teams and giving them jobs, but bringing them together for ad hoc collaboration? And what about if it was not about hierarchy or job roles or responsibilities any longer, but about the skills that I have right now to help everybody else? Mentessa is the future of work because it connects people in this very vast, complex environment. Our company was founded 2.5 years ago and generated a 6-digit revenue already in the first 12 years on the market. We have 20 paying customers and have recently been endorsed by NASDAQ for creating equal opportunities for the future of work for everybody. Why? Because if we start working new, we will actually remove the barriers for everybody in the workplace. Do you know why Tinder was invented? It was because introverted tech nerds in Silicon Valley did not dare to approach others. Well, that's a different use case, but it's exactly the same psychological barrier in the workplace when it comes about who do I ask for help? Can I ask for help? How do I share my real concerns and challenges? And this is why people need people in the workforce. So if you want to connect everybody to work with anyone and to learn from them, that's a very complex problem. And we have to solve 3 challenges. We have to organize this liquid structure of people coming and going. We have to build an inclusive culture so that we don't match with the perfect match, but we actually get to work with people we otherwise wouldn't have talked to. And we have to make this all manageable because neither the today nor the future of work are a chaos. The new world of work therefore needs a new kind of organizational infrastructure. It needs a place that connects employees, not once, not for one purpose, not once in their journey in the company, but throughout their whole journey and with everybody, potentially. Mentessa brings the solution. We have developed a community of skills. It's not a job matching platform, it's a completely new way of thinking about work. It enables people to actually work in a decentralized way with each other, to help each other. We bring also people-to-people workflows. Remember, not processes, not teams, not all of what you've heard so far, but actual how a person gets to talk to another person when they have to. And of course, we measure all this data because on our platform there is no content, there are no PDFs, no checklists, and no influencers. So people actually write what they truly know, can, and want to learn. All of this we build as a benefit for employees. Mentessa connects people with mentors if you want so, but it is a mentor at work because it guides them on their journey. We have a bunch of paying customers, big and small organizations from Serbia to Brazil, and our vision is not just to stay with the community and help everybody be welcome there and flourish and develop and be unleashed in their talent development, but actually to build the next infrastructure for the organization of the future. A huge use case with a dual value proposition, and I'm really happy to talk with anybody who is as passionate about the real purpose of organizations as we are. Thank you very much.
Wow.